It sits next to your sink. You use it to clean your plates, your counters, and your table. You assume it is a tool for sanitation. But microbiologists warn that the kitchen sponge is likely the single dirtiest object in your entire home. In terms of bacterial density, it rivals and often exceeds the surface of a toilet bowl. When we look at the data from the Scientific Reports Journal, the numbers are not just high, they are catastrophic. Why is a sponge so deadly? It comes down to three factors: moisture, temperature, and food. A toilet seat is porcelain. It is cold, dry, and cleaned often. Bacteria struggle to survive there. A sponge is the opposite. It is a dense network of pores, kept constantly wet, and injected daily with food scraps. It is a perfect incubator. Studies found that a single cubic centimeter of a used sponge can contain up to 45 billion bacteria. That is the same bacterial density found in human solid waste. When you wipe a clean table with a week-old sponge, you are not sanitizing it. You are spreading a microscopic film of E. coli and Salmonella across the surface where you eat. The tool we trust to clean our lives is actually infecting them. The evidence suggests it belongs in one place: the trash.